Hello guys, welcome to BYOD channel. So with this video I'm going to talk about a website that will help us learn very easily, and my YouTube channel is about, if you want to know what my YouTube channel is about, check the description of this video and you will see that I've released a video which is what you need to know about BYOD channel. So let's get going. So with this I'm going to talk about a website which will help us learn very well, and this website is not for only students, for teachers, parents, I think everyone. So what you need to do is now you go to your Google Chrome and you need to register for this. So you use your real name, real information to register for this. And after you've registered, this is the page that you see. Most people know about this website, but they don't know how to operate and how it's very fun to be with. I can be on this website for almost a day and I will not get bored because this website provides me all resources I need to learn. Yeah, it's aid me in learning and I don't get tired of this. Especially, yeah, certain things I can do here which will amaze you. So please, let's watch this video to the end. So this is Quizizz. The website is called Quizizz. So if you want the description of this, the website, the link to this website, please check the description of this video to access the link. But first, let's watch this video first. So now let's go on. This website helps you, like it helps you to uh, do a lot of things here. You can create a quiz for your friend. If you're a teacher, you can create a quiz for your student, and it can assess and give you the marks directly. So after creating the quiz and give it to your student, as you create a link and give it to them to sign into the link and access the quiz. After, they will send you the result of the quiz, and you just need to what, put it down. But with this, it will be converted into what, points. So you need to convert it back to your marks that you want. Simple mathematics. So with this, it's quizzes. Quizzes help us to create quiz. So you can see that you create quiz here. And second, you can find MCQ questions here. Almost all MCQ questions. And third, you can make like activity that you create a quiz with your friends, you compete with your friends online. And after, it's very fun. Like for example, when I'm playing and they give the marks, they can give you a bonus marks and you'll be winning and you'll be seeing that you're winning. Someone come and pass you. It's very exciting. So let's try this. Now, for example, if I'm searching for, maybe I want to search for a subject which is social studies. So social studies. So I search for social studies, right? So this Quizizz website, it has all the courses from kindergarten to university. Everything is here. So you can see that we have 20 questions here, and these are in MCQ, right? So you can access all this from here. You can also upload your quiz here for people to, use it. So this is not only social studies, you can get all things here. I guess in it, and you can just, if I want to do a quiz on social studies, I just tap this and look at this. I can practice or challenge points. That what I love about this is the challenge points. You can create a quiz, and you can see the difficult level is easy. So you can create a quiz here, just challenge friend, and just send the link to the friend you want to challenge, and that friend will go to the link. That friend will what? Make sure that friend has an account on Quizizz, do the quiz with you. After, they'll bring the results to you guys and you see everything. So you challenge friend. I don't waste time on this video. When you have time, you can go and challenge friends and you do that. You can also practice for your own benefit, right? Yeah. If you're a teacher and you want to set questions for your students, you can also do it here by creating a quiz. And when creating a quiz, we can use math. Math, all the symbols are there, so you can set your own question and you just send it to them. You create the Quizizz account and log in, do the quiz, and they will send you the results to you, the teacher, and you can access them. So this can make learning very easy as a teacher, right? As a teacher, you can use this website to do all things. You just set your question, you give it to the student, they do it, they give you the answer, right? You, the teacher yourself, you to yourself, you can just do some MCQ here, you can just assess yourself, and as a student, well, we're doing one course in the university, which is engineering society. And if you can see, I have me myself, I've done some here. See, I did this. I had right and responsibility, engineering ethics, professional ethics, virtue, all this. I mean, see, and it's not only that. I told you that this is not from, it's not for only university or SHS or JHS. It's from kindergarten to, I don't know, emeritus. So please, this is the website I want to share about. So please kindly subscribe, and also I want you to come on this website and, well, enjoy yourself on this website. Thank you very much. This is Prof One, and I'm still searching for more websites like this which will benefit you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.